Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle for Windows pop-ups or tabs in our Playwright Java. Okay, previous if you see right, we have done for alert JavaScript alerts. Now the similar format we are going to do for window handle. Window handle is nothing but when you click something, it will open for new tab or new window. That is called a window pop-ups. Okay, this how we can able to handle. For this if you are go for Java with the Selenium or some right Selenium side, we have for window handles and window handle. Okay, first we are storing in the parent window and then we are reading for the child windows and then we are switching into that and we are rotating the for loop and there we are rotating like finding that particular element whether it is presented or not. Then we are going to do right. These all the things we are doing. Okay, comparing to that we have for different way in our playwright similar format of that, but we are not switching and we are doing all operations. We are come backing and switch out, and we are not doing that. Okay, directly we are handling for in our playwright. Now up to here, okay, we are opening the browser. After opening the browser, there is a concept called a page dot page pop-up. We can able to say, and here we are using for page dot window wait for pop-up. Okay, wait for pop-up. This is the basically it will handle for it will wait for some pop-up which is we are expecting. Okay, this callback function is required and I'm creating the callback function and semicolon. Okay, here which is the element we need to click, right? That element we need to identify. And if you see, this is basically here click is there. Okay, I'm taking for click and I'll create for XPath for this. Okay, double forward slash star and then I'm providing inside the text equal to single quotation and this particular value. Okay, I'm directly providing that. Okay, a page dot a click function and here I am providing my selector. Okay, and semicolon. Once it is click, it will navigate into a next page, right? Now in that particular page whether I need to read for whether we can able to read the title of child pop-up or not. Okay, the pop-up dot title. Okay, I'm going to take that this one. For this I'll store this particular pop-up child pop-up. Okay, now again we need to close, or if you want to close you can able to close, or if you don't want to close, if you want to directly read parent pop-up title. Okay, and I'm coming back and the page dot title. Hmm. Now I'm saving this one. Okay, directly I'm explaining. Okay, don't worry, this is basically the waiting for the pop-up under. See, now it is clicked and it is done. Okay, now I'm closing. You can see both the things are done. But if you see the selenium, right, if you want to read the parent title, then you have to switch back to the default content or parent content, then only you can able to read the title, otherwise you can't, right? But here directly you can able to read the data. The same time you can able to read the data and you can able to get the it, because it will take the parallelly the two things. Okay, you can able to work with the child and you can able to work with parent as well. Okay, without any issue. And if you want to close, definitely this question may be asked someone in the interview. I want to close, which is the open newly tab. Okay, new browser I open. I can like click this one and it will open for new tab. Okay, I want to close the new tab. How to do that? For this, you are already in the pop-up, right? The pop-up object dot you can use for close function. This will close you that entire things. Okay. See, now I'm closing that particular one. Child window I will close. See, child window got closed. Okay, working fine. I don't want to close the child window, but I want to close the parent window. Okay, for that page dot close it we can use running again. Okay, now I'm not closing for child window, but I'm closing for parent window. See, new window is there, parent window is gone, right? Still working fine, no issues. If you want to both, you can able to close it, no issues. Maybe in another case, some of the people ask you a question. I want to open two different now here I want to open for new tab, but I don't want to click. I open the browser from this window, but I don't want to close click here. I want to open new tab itself. I want to open new tab, but I don't want to click, but I want to open new tab, and then I need to provide my new URL. Okay, how we can able to provide it for the same code. Same code I will use. Okay, a page dot popup to page dot await for popup, and then use for the callback function. Okay, and here we can able to use the page dot click. Okay, and there is a one selector we can able to write it. It is anchor tag. Okay, here you can able to see the target equal to underscore blank. Okay, this is there. Okay, you can able to use that as well, and you can able directly also. Okay, now here I'm using for a and square braces, and here I'm providing okay, this will provide and here I need to use for here pop-up dot await wait for load state. Okay, load state, it will wait for complete page loading. Okay, now I'm using for pop-up dot navigator. Okay, navigator I'm using for here. I'll use it here. https google.com. Okay, now this particular URL I'll provide, and I'm saving. I'll use this command. Okay, now again I'm running. This is basically a blank page. Okay, because it's already there target. In case if there is no target equal to single quote, there is a blank also, you can able to reuse it. Okay, this actually it will click because already having the element, because of that it is working. Or else we can do one more way. Orange HRM. Okay. We'll check this one with a new URL. There is no thing it is there. It will fail. Okay, see. Now it is failed because it is not able to identify the locator. Okay. If there is a locator it is presented, you can able to provide the locator because previous it is having the locator, right? That's why it is able to click for that particular element. Okay. It is able to click, and then we can able to use for our own uh, URL, and then we can verify the title of that particular page as well. Okay, which is the newly open tab, and there you can able to navigate it your own URL also, and there you can do for whatever you want the actions. Okay, I hope it this entire information help for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.